Good morning, Andrew. Ed Bastian, you beat the street by 9 cents for the first quarter. Revenue just a tad bit shy of expectations. But when you look at the first quarter, what stands out in terms of where the industry is right now in terms of demand, booking trends as we head into spring and summer?
Well, Phil, great to see you. And by the way, I understand this week's your 25th anniversary of CNBC.
Yes, it is.
So
yes, it
you're
is.
the best in the business. I just want to
you.
start this by thanking you for the great work you do on behalf of all of us within the industry. We had a great quarter. The team really delivered a solid set of results. Demand is strong, set another record. And if you look at the forward view, which I know you're going to ask me about, we've had this calendar year already the 11 highest sales days in our history, just this year alone. The operational results have been excellent. The performance levels are not just back to pre-pandemic levels, we're ahead of pre-pandemic levels. We had the best first quarter reliability we've ever seen in our history. And then when you do that, you have great demand and a great operation. The financial results speak for themselves. If you believe the Wall Street analyst expectations, will be the only major airline that's profitable this quarter, generated $1.4 billion of free cash, and a 14% return on invested capital, which places us in the top half of the S&P 500. So you put that picture together, it looks great. The exciting thing is there's more opportunity ahead.
You made a note in your earnings to say you're seeing an acceleration in terms of corporate travel, particularly in certain industries. Where do you see business travel accelerating right now?
We see it across the board. People are out. A lot of it's being driven by offices continuing to mandate the return, turning into 3- and 4-day weeks. A lot of it's in the consultancies and the advisors and the accountants and the law firms that have to get out now. They can go into the client offices because there's clients to meet or sales folks getting out on sales calls. We see it internationally. We've seen a 15-point acceleration since the start of the year in business travel, and we're now back revenue-wise at or above pre-pandemic levels. The volumes are still a little bit off, maybe 90%, but we're doing really, really well.
Let's talk about the part of the business that I know you get a lot of questions about. And some of these are not incidents that we have seen reported in the media. Most of them are not Delta-related incidents. And I'm not going to ask you to speak for other airlines. But do you understand when you hear people say, what's going on with the airlines right now? What's going on in this industry? Because I'm not real crazy about what I'm seeing.
Well, there's certainly the media headlines. You can't escape it, whether it's what the challenges that Boeing's having or other incidents. The only thing I tell people are two things. First, safety is job one. Every hour of every day, U.S. aviation travel is the safest form of transportation in the world. It's safer than driving. It's safer than a train. It's safer than walking, right? And the reason why is that safety supersedes every operational move we make. We're all over it. And we're also very transparent with our regulators, with the FAA, within the industry. We don't compete on safety. So every incident we learn from each other because it's our collective responsibility to keep our industry strong and safe. And that's not something that's a competitive issue. That's something that we're all focused on. And I'm proud of the work the Delta team specifically does in that level. As I mentioned, we had the best operational performance for first quarter results in our history this current quarter. And I expect that's going to continue for the rest of the year.
You mentioned Boeing. And this latest whistleblower complaint revolves around the manufacturing process for the Dreamliner. You don't have any Dreamliners in your fleet, but you do have Boeings, as well as some Boeing MAX 10s that are on order to come in the next couple of years. Have you been able to reach out with either board members, whether it's Steve Mollenkopf or others, and to say, look, you've got to get this right?
Well, I think everyone has had their chance to express their views to Boeing. It's not just at my level, it's across our company. We have the majority of the planes we fly today are Boeing. While we haven't had a new Boeing delivery in a number of years, we're still predominantly a Boeing shop. I know Steve, he's a friend. I think he's a great choice for the board chair. He's going to bring a fresh set of eyes. He's got an engineering background. He's got a no-nonsense style about him. I think the team that he's going to wind up putting around him is going to be a great team. And I've already expressed our support for him, for Boeing Company, and all that has to happen to make these issues start to dissipate.
Still confident the MAX 10 order and that it'll be delivered at least hopefully close to on schedule?
I'm confident it will deliver at some point. Whether it's 2 years, 3 years, 4 years from now, I don't think anybody knows.
Let me quickly ask you about international travel. Europe has been the big story for the last couple of years, but Asia Pacific has become red hot for you guys. What are you seeing there?
I think you're seeing the same thing you've seen all around the world. By the way, transatlantic for this coming summer season was the thing that we were a little cautious about entering the year. That looks like it's going to be another great year for transatlantic. Pricing is holding, and the volumes are really, really healthy. And you see the same thing going on in Asia. Part of the reason why Asia is another hot spot is China itself still really isn't open. It's open on a fairly restricted basis. So we take our planes and we're going to Auckland, we're going to Tahiti, we're going more to Seoul and to Japan.
And no sense on China when that might free up a little bit.
I think it's eventually opening up, but I think it's going to be a long. First of all, the demand isn't there. There's not a lot of travel demand from customers going to Chinese other than Chinese nationals. And secondly, I think from a geopolitical perspective, that's going to be managed by the State Department.
Ed Bastian, CEO of Delta, on a day where they report better than expected earnings for the first quarter. Guys, back to you.